Boom. All right, cool. So now we're recording, and then I don't know where it went, that recording. All right, so let's see if I go back. Oh, yeah, it's recording right there. Okay, so now I'm just going to be a quick lesson. Um, Today is September, oh, this is not 15. This should be a new one. Okay, this is period one. Okay, September 16th. All right. So this is going to be on page 11, 9, 10, 11. All right. So let's go ahead and do this a little lesson. I'm not going to, I'll let you guys out early today, and then we'll continue this on Monday. All right. So today's day was pretty easy. So make sure you have this on page 11. All right. Here's the date. Okay. And this is today's lesson will be combine. Oops. Com, Let me take this. What's happening here? Combine like terms. Oh, maybe I have to do it here. Oh, there it is. Combine like terms. All right. So remember, what are terms? Okay. And we talked about this already. What are your terms? Remember, so if we have 5x, okay, plus 7x minus 1 plus 5. Okay. Now, this whole thing is called an expression, right? It's called an expression. But now we can't add all these together. We only could combine like terms. So here's a term, and I'm going to circle it. See, here's one term. Here's another term. Okay. Here's another term. So how many terms are in this expression? There are four, right? See, four circles. But now what you're going to do is you're just going to combine the ones that have the same, that look the same, right? So what does that mean, mister? Well, you see here, you have 5x, right? The coefficient with the variable. Well, which other term has an x? Well, this one right here. See that? You're only going to combine these two, right? What about the negative 1? Well, that's a constant. So then you're going to do that separately. So then the negative 1, see that? Oops. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. Watch. Look at that. Watch. I cover it and look. Watch. Bing! Oh, what happened to the 1? Hey, hey, 1, come out. Oh, oh, sorry. Let me erase that. Different color. Oh, wait. What happened? Oh man. What was it? A negative 1? Oh, shoot. Oh, I went a little overboard. Okay. So let's do this one. All right. See that? So now we're going to another level, combine like terms. So let me get a different color that's going to go through. So now the negative 1 is a constant, right? And then the plus 5 is a constant. So you're going to combine those terms, all right, because they're both constants, all right? So then what do I do? So again, we remember what we were doing, t-chart. So then you do the t-chart again. So now we're going to do what we have been doing the past week is the t-chart. So here, so you're going to now do 2, right? You have one for the x, so this is going to be 5x. And then another one for the 7x. So what's your answer? How many x's? Well, it's positive. So you're going to add them. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're going to have 12x. See that? Okay, because that's only for the x's. Now, what about negative 1 plus 5? Well, then you have to do a separate one. All right, negative 1 plus 5. Hey, why does it keep doing that? I'm not doing anything. Oh, man. All right, here we go. 5. All right, there. 5. So what? Sorry about that. So what's my answer? Your answer is what? Positive. And then do I add them together? No, I subtract them, right? Yeah, so that's positive what? Yeah, positive 4. Now, do a lot of kids want to do this? They want to do, oh, 12x plus 4. Oh, that's 16x. No, that's not your answer. No, because that doesn't have an x. So you're going to leave it like that. All right? You're going to leave it as 12x plus 4. And that's very, very important because it's going to help us for the next level of math. Leave it alone. All right? You guys got that? All right, cool. So now let's go ahead and do another one. All right? So, oh, sorry. So I'm going to put the video up so you guys can put the notes. All right? You guys can write the notes. I'm going to do it right here on the side. Oh, I could do it here. Uh, right here. Yeah. All right, here we go. Ready? How about if I put 3x squared plus negative 2xy, remember 2 times x times y, close the parentheses, minus 7x squared, okay, and then, oops, hey, what happened? Sorry. See, that's pretty cool because then I could go this way. Oh, I didn't even know that. And then what if um, I put minus 2xy. See that? All right. So how many terms do we have here? We got 4, right? So I'm going to circle them. Got 1. See that? 1. Oh, let me use a different color. Here, let me use the green again. 1. Don't forget the sign. This is a negative 2x, so 2. See that? Bam. And then 3. Don't forget the negative. And then 4. Don't forget that negative. Okay. All right. So now you have all these. So now you have to combine like terms. So the first one is, so then you got to combine what? So let's look for it. So the 3x squared. Is there another one with an x squared? It's like matching. You got to match. Which other x squared do I have? Yeah, very good. The negative 7x squared. See, these two I'm going to match, do my t-chart. Okay, see that? So you don't have to color it in. All right. So then you do the t-chart, right? So here we do, let me do a blue here. And then we get, all right, make sure you put that right there. And so then 3x squared, don't forget to put x squared. And then the negative 7x squared. So who won? Who has more? Yeah, the negative by how many? X squares, right? It's an x squared, it's not x. Very good, yeah. Negative 4x squared. See that? Now, what about xy? Well, let me change the color. Let's see, let's do this one real quick. So negative 2xy, all right? Negative 2xy, and then the other negative 2xy. So don't say 0, guys. Make sure you do the t-chart to help you out. So remember, it's negative 2xy, and negative. See, I'm doing the color. I don't have to do this, but it's pretty cool with this program because you could color it in. See, you don't have to. So now let's go ahead and do the t-chart. All right, with the negative 2xy, negative 2xy, and then negative 2xy is going to be on the same. So what's my answer there? Is it 0? Alejandra, what would I get? What would be my answer here? Very good. Yeah. Negative 4xy. You see how it looks complicated, but it's everything we've learned. You just got to put the variables and you match it. All right. Pretty cool. All right. So I'm going to give you one just for one. I'm not going to give you a worksheet. I actually did a worksheet for you guys, but we're not going to do a worksheet. It's too much. All right. Maybe we'll do it for Friday instead of the quiz. So let's go ahead and I'll give you one and then you guys do it by yourself. I'll actually go down because some of you guys still need to copy the notes. Oops. So I'll put that there. And then let me go ahead and just do one. All right. So we're just going to do one and try to do it by yourself. All right. And that's it. All right. So 3a, negative 3a plus negative 7b minus 1 um, plus 2b, okay, minus 3a, and that's it. So go ahead and try to do that one by yourself, all right? And then we'll be done for the notes for today, okay? So try to do that one by yourself. Remember, there's no negative negative. We'll do that another day, all right? The negative negative. And so you got to remember all of the rules we've done for the first 2 weeks. So the good thing is that there's no negative. So I'll let you go ahead and try that one by yourself. And then once you have an answer, go ahead and type it. Type it on the on your thing. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pause. All right, class. So we're back. Let's go ahead. I gave you some time to do this little problem. Okay. So let's go ahead and again we're gonna circle all the terms. Okay. So let me use a different color. Uh, oh wait, what happened? No logging in. No. Whoa, no. No logging in. No. All right. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and uh, circle all the terms. Okay. Negative 1 plus 2b and then negative 3a. Now, if you don't have colors, you could do it differently. Like I could do, oh, negative 3a, let me do a box. So if you don't have a color, you could go like this, like that. See that? And then where's the negative, the 3a? Oh, right here too. See that? You could put a box. You could do the ace first, all right? So now if I do a little t-chart, so what's my answer? Let's see. Positive, negative, negative 3a, negative 3a. So my answer is what? Negative what? Anybody? Shout out. Negative what? Anybody? Anybody? Negative 6a. Very good, because you add them together. Now you could do this. Okay, I'm done with the a's. I'm gonna take them away. You could you could do that. And then let's do the b's. All right, I'm gonna do like a different shape. All right, if you want, I don't care. This is where you become creative. Negative 7b plus 2b, right? Because that's the coefficient with the variable. And then I do another one right here. See that? So that's negative 7b, positive 2b. So what's my answer? Negative what? Anybody? Anybody? I hear crickets. Yes, negative 5b. Don't forget negative 5. Don't forget your b. All right. So then the B's are gone. Bam. See that? The B's are gone. So what's left over? Anybody? Myrna? -1. And you leave your answer like that. You have your -6a, your -5b, and your -1, and that is your answer. Don't add them together. A lot of kids do that. So, and that's your answer, and then boom, we're done. All right, so there's your answer. I'm gonna highlight. Let's see if it pops up. Didn't pop up. Oh man. So let's erase that. So it didn't pop. So there you go. All right, and that's your answer. Boom, right there. That is your answer. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and stop my recording.